This video, excuse me, is going to describe the quartile function. Now, the quartile function is going to take a group of numbers and divide them up into 4 equal groups. You have your choice of 2 different quartile functions. One is inclusive, the other is exclusive. So inclusive will divide the data up into 4 equal groups, but it includes a 0 and a 4, where 0 represents the smallest value in that group and 4 represents the largest value. The exclusion of quartile excludes 0s and 4s, so it doesn't even work. You're going to get an error message when you run it. There's 2 arguments in each one of the quartile. One is the array, which is the data set itself, and then the second one is what quarter do you want it to be broken down into, 1, 2, or 3. So let's do the inclusive quartile first. So I'll go look for quartile. Here's a quartile inclusive. And it's asking for an array. We're going to look up all the salaries here in D2 to D14, and the quartile is here. Now I want to go back up here and make the array absolute. Click OK. So what that is doing with a quartile of 0, that's telling you that the smallest value in this salary is 45,000. And if I copy it down, you can see that the smallest is 45,000, the largest is 75,800, and the first quarter group is second quarter group and the third quarter group. Now, if we look for quartile exclusive, we do the same array, make it absolute, and we'll select the same quartile. But remember, this does not work for quartile 0 or 4, so that's why you're going to get an error message. If I copy it down, again, let's go back to quartile inclusive. This 45,000, you would get the same answer if you use the min function. The quartile in the 4th quartile, the number in the 4th quartile, would get the same number as using the max function. So if I just sort of do a little bit of highlighting, you can sort of start to see how this breaks down. So you can see where the smallest, the largest, and then here's the first quarter, the second quarter, and the third quarter. Now what this does is it eliminates the smallest and largest and then averages them out. So that's where you get those numbers. Let me show you the formulas. And that's the quartile function.